first of all, you're not a fucking accountant. All right, stop trying to be me. And stop going to TurboTax because you don't know what you're doing. All right?
He just should
Man, listen. I'm so tired of fixing other people's mistakes because they went to TurboTax or their brother's uncle's son's friend did their taxes. I got this one tax client. I'm like, yo, you owe $12,000 from 2014. But I went to a CPA. I don't care about your CPA. I don't care about the titles and all that. Because at the end of the day, if the person doing your taxes is not educating you on what they're doing, then they're not helping you.
Facts.
So you can make all the money. Look, I've done a lot of celebrities' taxes, man, and they make a lot of money. Do you know the average celebrity I do? Say they make. I'm not gonna say this person's name, but he made $6 million.
That's it. Damn.
I'm just playing.
I'm just playing. No, if you knew who he was, you could probably say that's it. But $6 million. I get his taxes. Somebody else did his taxes.
How much on that do they have to pay?
I'm about to tell you.
Oh, go ahead.
So he did $6 million, and I get his tax return that a CPA did. Immediately, within 10 seconds, I noticed everything that's wrong with his taxes. And I'm like, all right, cool. How the hell you owe $1.5 million? God
damn.
Because the $6 million he got was actually a loan through Warner Brothers. It wasn't actual revenue. A loan, you can't tax a loan. But I'm like, but your CPA should have told you this. But I really have a PhD in this.
Yes,
So when I tell people that they don't believe me, I'm like, no, I'm really a doctor.
Because nobody sees you do the work, James. You just pop up with shit.
Look at his face.
Now I got two things off that. Number one, you came on last time. I'm thinking like, oh, he just got a degree in it. I ain't think you got
The PhD.
right. Yeah. Secondly, where the hell was Wesley Snipes when?
Do you know what Wesley Snipes did wrong? Honestly,
what he do wrong?
what the average person did wrong is what he did wrong. Okay. He went back to the law of World War II. All right, so taxes, the whole tax structure was implemented because of World War II to help pay for the war. But when the war ended, taxes were supposed to stop. But they didn't because they was like, we make a lot of money off these people.
Gotcha.
No, so he started writing letters and signing it in his real name. No, you can't do that because you're now breaking the law. All you got to do, right, if you're making a lot of money, don't underreport your income because that's a crime. If you wake up January 1 with $10 in the bank, you wake up December 31st with $9 in the bank. The whole year, you lost $1. All that money you made went somewhere. Write it off on your taxes. Therefore, you don't have to worry about the legalities of it because you're actually following the law. What people do is, oh, I made $1 million. Well, I'm not going to. The IRS know. They know. So, and they give you loopholes. They give you loopholes, and that's what I'm telling people now with these SBA loans, right? So the PPP is the biggest fraud thing out there, right?
Yep.